Hi, my name is Steve Lindemuth. I am a Dr. Motwani patient, and my journey started in the early 90s when I got RK surgery. And I was very happy with it. It was the first time I've ever been able to see 20/20 after the RK surgery. But about in 2016, my vision started deteriorating, and I thought, okay, well, I was just getting old. So I got glasses, but I started realizing that every 6 months for a new pair of glasses was too far apart, and I was going every 4 months, 3 months, and wondering why my vision kept getting worse and worse. And they couldn't correct it to 20/20. I got to the point where I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to drive for work. And I got desperate enough to start looking for doctors that would do RK correction surgery. And I found a couple, and not all of them looked on the up and up, but Dr. Motwani did, and he happened to be in California, and I was up in the Bay Area, so I made an appointment to drive down here. They sent me documentation online showing me what Dr. Motwani's background was, what his patents were on this type of surgery. So I came down and spoke to him, and had an appointment. He looked at my eyes, and I told him, I said, I will be happy if you get me too close to 20/20 with glasses. And I was serious. I would have been happy with that. He told me he thought he could possibly improve me to 20/20 without glasses. And I had my surgery, my first surgery, I think it was in April. And my vision was dramatically improved. Glasses didn't get me to 20/20 at that time, but I could see without glasses with one eye about 20/30. The other one about 20/40, 20/50, but I still wasn't happy with it. I was happy. I was happier, but he said, "Don't worry, we're going to do another correction if we need it." So 4 months later, after my eyes had healed enough, I came back in for another correction, and my vision is amazing right now, and it's still being corrected. That was only a month and a half ago. I'm close to 20/20, probably. I'm better than 20/25 in both eyes, and they're still healing. And it's just amazing that I thought, and every ophthalmologist that I spoke to told me that you don't have a way to correct the RK surgery. I was told that. When I talked to Dr. Motwani, he told me that they know about his operations. It's well known in the field about his operations, but they neglected to tell me that. They wanted to sell me scleral lenses. I tried those for years, hated them. My eyes were dry after 4 hours. I was concerned about driving home, from work. So Dr. Motwani was a lifesaver, a literal lifesaver. So that's my story.